Welcome student in my math step-by-step classes. In today's class we will do cost price and selling price part 3rd, and in this we will do how to find loss. So loss means whenever selling price is less than cost price, then we get loss. So how we find loss? Formula for loss is cost price minus selling price, right? Then question is cost price is rupees 1350 and selling price is 1275. Read the whole amount. So here, as I have told you, selling prices, when selling price is less than cost price, that means loss, and loss formula. So we will put value of these. Cost price is 1350 minus 1275. So if we will subtract, answer will come here 75, right? So here I have done working for you. If you are in very junior classes, so you can understand this, and see, always do your calculation in rough also, but if you are showing the working, it's okay. So try to do working if you are in senior classes, but do working compulsory. So that, see, if you are overconfident about your calculation, there will be no chances of mistakes. So do working, subtraction, addition. Many times you did silly mistake. So loss is rupees 75, right? So here is the question, and this is the way you have to do, and please follow your school pattern. But this video is only for making you understand practically, and that watch video again and again and do the question yourself. Understood? After this, I have taken another question. Here cost price is given to you 2450 and selling price is given to you 2319.25. That is 2319 rupees 25 paise. So here also loss. So we will put formula value of cost price minus selling price. In cost price we will write value 2450, and here we will put value of this selling price. And see, arrangement is very important, how you will arrange them in subtraction. After this, many students did mistakes, and they do mistakes every time, many times. So here, see, you have to put bigger value up and the smaller one down. Okay, so while reading any amount, any number in mathematics, always compare them if you are doing subtraction. So here 2450 is greater, so 2450, and here also we have written, but many students don't know how to arrange them. So here only rupees is there, no paisa. So for paisa you will put decimal sign and 00, right? And here paisa is there, so you will write it under this. So 2450.00 and 2319.25. Then you will subtract here. See, 0, 5. So 0 can be not subtracted. 5 cannot be subtracted from 0. So we will borrow, right? Then it will become 10 because it was earlier 0. So it will borrow from this 0. This 0 is again 0 means nothing. So this 0 will borrow from this 5. So 5 will become 4. It will become 10. And 10 will become 9 because it will give this 0 to 1. Right? Then if this 0 will give 1 to this, so this will become 9. Okay? Then you will do calculation. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 9, 0. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So this is the answer. Loss of this question is rupees 130.75. That means 130 rupees 75 paise. Understood? So do this question yourself. Think about it. Another question I have taken is a word problem. See, question is Aisha sold a piano for rupees 40,000. Right? Aisha sold her piano. See, here sold is written. That means selling price is there. So while reading the question, understand it properly and think, what is this given to you? So this is selling price, right? And she had bought the piano for rupees 67,500. See, she has bought this. That means cost price for her is 67,000 and selling price is 40,000. That means 6740. 6740. That means loss is there, right? So you will find loss. First you will write selling price 40,000, or you can write statement also because it is word problem. So you can follow your school pattern, and cost price is 67,500. So here we will put, and you have to find loss incurred by Aisha. So loss already is given, loss incurred. But if it is not given, sometimes question like this asks that find whether she incurred profit or loss. So you have to think in your mind and you have to write here. Right? In 3rd class, 4th class or 5th class also, it is given that find loss. But in senior classes, like 6th, 7th classes, it is not given that she gained loss. You have to find what she gained. So here loss, we will put the value of this, and again I have done working for you. I have written here and I have solved 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 5 minus 0, 5, 7 minus 0, 7 and 6 minus 4, 2. So Aisha incurred loss of rupees 27,500. See, big amount, right? So do this question yourself and watch video again and again, and please do more question from your exercise, because in book very good number of questions are given in your notebooks, in books, so you can attempt these questions. And please do practice. Practice makes a man perfect, and maths need practice. So happy learning and see you in next class.